Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me? That's good. That's good. I'm so happy to be here. I wait like 5 years to say a few words to you. So let's start this talk. This talk is a little bit different. So we start a little bit different. When I say NG, you say, okay, let's try it. NG? NG? I think we can better. Let's divide this place to two A and B. And we start first with A. NG? NG? That was good. Maybe you can better. NG? NG? And together, NG? Thank you so much. So this talk is about personal branding. Why personal branding is important today? In my opinion, in this crowded world, in this world with AI, the AI is growing rapidly. Some developers are scared about their job, about the future. But I think AI can take our job, but to the next level. True or true? That's true, exactly. So let's start with the personal brand and let's think about self-actualization. So self-actualization is a process of achieving a fullness of one's own potential and becoming the best version of oneself in both personal and professional life. It's pursuit of fulfilling and expressing one's abilities, talents, and value, as well as finding a deeper meaning and purpose in life. So the self-actualization is on the top of the Abraham Maslow pyramid. This pyramid has 5 floors, and it promised that the person can realize the higher needs only with satisfying the lower needs. So, what is the one of the most important thing to creating a strong personal brand is standing out. What is standing out? Is showing oneself to be different. Sometimes better, sometimes not, but be different. So the key elements that can help us in standing out, as I said, in this crowded world, is authenticity. Being true to oneself and others. Innovation, thinking outside the box. Expertise, that's why we are here, is having deep knowledge or skill in a specific area. Passion, this is one of the most important things in our life. Passion, to have passion what we do. Passion is a strong commitment and enthusiasm for what one does. Communication, another really important thing in our life is a communication, the ability to clearly convey one's thoughts, ideas, and values. And relationship building, creating and nurturing deep, meaningful connection with others. So, one of the most important thing in creating the relationship is trust. It's a foundation of most human relationships, both in personal and professional level. So trust promise cooperation, reduce needs for supervision and control, and speed up decision-making process. As I said, in professional life, in a company, and in our house, also, if we trust someone, we can do everything we want. Enhancing professional value. So, increase in professional value can lead to better job offer, higher earnings, greater job satisfaction, and career stability. Every one of us need a career stability. Yeah. Networking. Now I need DJ. Where is DJ? DJ is not here. So networking, that's why we are here. And I want to thanks to DJ to create this conference. Because the conference is not only about learning, it's about networking, it's about inspiration. So the talks are very short. So the talks can inspire you. You can take some time to talk to other people. The networking is crucial in creating a rich personal brand. Recognition. So maybe you know it or not, but recognition is important as love. Everybody knows that love is most important thing in the world. Is love. Love is here, but recognition is here. It is amazing. We all are people, the same people. Someone said, if you have the presentation about personal branding in India, you should doing something different. I said, no. The presentation about personal brand is not for Indian people, it's for humans. We are humans, we are the same. We can have like a little bit skin different or whatever, but at the end of the day, we are the same. True or true? Are you with me? Amazing. So, let's talk about expertise. As I said, we are here to learn, to be inspired, and to network. So expertise, what is expertise? Is a deep knowledge, experience, lifelong learning, the small step every day we should do to learn something new, to be better version of us every day. Problem solving skills. It's reputation. Reputation is as an echo of what we do. Specialization. Sharing knowledge is what I do now, and all the speakers here. We share our knowledge with you, with amazing people. Because you are here, because you understand how important it is to learn every day, to learn new things, to meet new people, to be inspired. Critical thinking, it's obvious, yeah? Ethics is one of the most important things with our human communication and relationships, and adaptability in this crazy world. So let's talk about the benefits for the companies. So strengthening the company's credibility. So individuals with an established personal brand in their field can enhance the perception of the company as an industry leader. Their reputation often translates into greater trust from the clients and business partners, increasing visibility. So employees with a strong personal brand often have a large network and social media followings. So this can increase the company's visibility in a larger number of potential customers everywhere. Attracting talents. This is the really, really important thing because high caliber professionals attract other high caliber professionals. When company employs a recognized expert in a given field, it can become attractive to other talented candidates. Supporting in sales and marketing, it's obvious. So strong personal brand can more effectively pursue potential customers to use a company's service, products, to their credibility and authority. Development and innovation. So strong personal brand often through leaders which can bring new perspective, ideas, and strategies to the companies. And of course, increasing company's value, because if we have a high caliber professionals, the company value is increased in the eyes of investors and business partners. My name is Dariusz Kalbarczyk. I'm a Google developer expert. I organize two conferences. As NG Poland is the biggest Angular conference in Europe, and JS Poland. This is the second conference. I wrote two books. The first book, the black one, changed my life completely. That's what I'll say now, because this talk is about personal branding, and we build our personal brand since we born. You have to understand it, since we born. But we can think about that as our investigation in our life to building a strong personal brand in personal and professional life. When I wrote this book, actually, when I was in the process of writing this book, I did a lot of talks because this time Angular was unknown. It was on the market on the jQuery and nothing else. Nobody knows Angular, especially in Poland. These two books are in Polish. And when I start writing this book, I realized, okay, nobody wants to buy it. So I go from conference to conference every week in Poland. I did a lot of talks. And then was like a click. Angular starting grow rapidly in Poland. The book was 9 months bestseller in Poland. And my personal brand was like a here and then was here. My salary grows like a 6 times. It is unbelievable. So I highly recommend, if you thinking about writing a book, just do it. Just do NICA. Just do it. Because it can change your life. If it changed mine, it can change yours also. I have two podcasts, the Angular Master Podcast and JavaScript Master Podcast. So you can feel free to follow me on your favorite podcast platform, if you like podcast, of course. I organize also the Angular Warsaw meetup. So how to build personal brand one more time? First, authenticity. Showing true self in a communication, both online and offline. Consistency. How to be consistent? Self-awareness, planning and reflection. Specialization. So indeed of being expert in everything, focus on specific topic you're passionate about and build your expertise around it. If you love Angular, as I love, do everything to be the best. Everything to be best Angular developer every day. Fight with yourself, not with others, with yourself to push you to learn something new every day. This is the only way to be really, really happy. What are you doing? Continuous learning and development. As I said, it is one of the most important things in our life. To learn every day, to doing small step, not a big step. Just doing small step, but every day. Sharing knowledge. Building a strong personal brand is strong connected to sharing knowledge. What I do here now, or all other the speakers doing here now, is we sharing knowledge. I wanted to show you a few tools. You probably know all these tools, but I do it with purpose. I want to show you that it's very easy to start creating your own personal brand. So first is obvious is GitHub for collaboration, Stack Overflow for building reputation, Medium for sharing knowledge, for writing a blog post, also DevTools for writing a blog post. Meetup, as I said, you can use this platform to organize some meetup or find a meetup in your region and go there and share your knowledge. Twitter Space is a way to have a live audio conversation on Twitter. Anyone can join, listen, and speak in space on Twitter using iOS or Android. Yeah, the same thing is on Clubhouse. You can do it. You can create some space for Angular developers, for example, and talk about Angular there. Spotify for podcaster. I use this tool. I love this tool. And if you thinking about podcast, is one of the best tool to creating podcast for free and sharing on every platform you want. Adobe Podcast. This is a brilliant tool for improving the quality of recording the voice, especially for podcaster. But you can use it also for YouTube video if you want or wherever. CodePen for sharing knowledge. StackBlitz for sharing knowledge. YouTube is obvious. And the last but not least, LinkedIn, I think, is the one of the most important tool to build a professional brand. By the way, I have like 30,000 contacts on LinkedIn. I reached the end, so I can't add more. And it works amazing. It works just amazing. I have people from around the world, 30,000 people I'm connected on LinkedIn. And it's like if I publish new podcast, if I publish everything about my conferences, it's like the post growing rapidly because I have so many people there. And I highly recommend to spend time on your LinkedIn to prepare a professional photo because it is important and professional description. Spend some time because this is the best platform can enhance your personal brand. Really, really cool. So in summary, what is important for creating the personal brand? Authenticity, specialization, continuous learning, sharing knowledge, networking, high quality portfolio, feedback. Be open to feedback, not for hate, for feedback. So haters we delete. We don't need haters. But feedback is really, really good for everyone. Personal communication style. So be yourself. Don't try to be someone else. Just be yourself. This is one of the most important things, because people follow people, not follow the topic, not follow the knowledge, but at the end of the day, follow people, follow the style. Okay? And we are, as I said at the beginning, we are the same. At the end of the day, we are the same. We are thinking very, very, very the same way. And of course, ethics. Ethics means trust, and trust means everything. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.